How to overwrite the previous print to Stdout. If I had the following code, I would get the output of. What I would like to do is, instead of printing a new line, I want to replace the previous value and overwrite it with the new value on the same line.
Suppress the new line and print \r. Or write to Stdout.
Simple version. One way is to use the carriage return \r character to return to the start of the line without advancing to the next line. Python 3. Python 2.7 forward compatible. Python 2.7. Python 2.0 to 2.6. In the latter two, Python 2 only, cases, the comma at the end of the print statement tells it not to go to the next line. The last print statement advances to the next line so your prompt won't overwrite your final output. Line cleaning. If you can't guarantee that the new line of text is not shorter than the existing line, then you just need to add a clear to end of line escape sequence \x1b 1k \x1b equals esc. Long line wrap. All these methods assume you're not writing more than the length of the line. The carriage return only returns to the start of the current line, so if your output is longer than a line, you'll only erase the last line. If this is enough of a problem that you need to control it, you can disable line wrapping to keep the cursor from wrapping to the next line. Instead, the cursor sticks to the end of the line, and successive characters overwrite. Line wrap is disabled with print \x1b 7l end equals, and re-enabled with print \x1b 7h end equals. Note that there is no automatic re-enable of line wrap at any point. Don't leave the terminal broken if an exception ends your program.
Since I ended up here via Google, but am using Python 3, here's how this would work in Python 3. Related answer here, how can I suppress the new line after a print statement?
At Mike DeSimone answer will probably work most of the time. But this is because that \r only goes back to the beginning of the line but doesn't clear the output. If POSIX support is enough for you, the following would clear the current line and leave the cursor at its beginning. It uses ANSI escape code to clear the terminal line. More info can be found in Wikipedia and in this great talk. Other approach. This other, arguably worse, solution I have found looks like this. One advantage is that it will work on Windows too.